Hello, welcome back to the next source. So today I am here Orozai. As you can see, this is Orozai. और definitely आपके पास क्वेश्चन होगा कि ये Orozai क्या है. So we can get everything here, like vegetables, utensil, clothes, whatever you want. Like I will show you. And but first of all, we will go to the section of vegetables and wait and watch. Just wait. So this is the entry point and we are entering to the section of vegetables. Здравствуй, можно. У тебя есть кориандр?
Є
Далі. А скільки?
28 гривень 100 грам.
10 гривень. У тебе є спінат.
Є
So this is spinach and okay. Можна як скільки?
100 гривень кілограм.
100 гривень kilogram. So it's like 300 rupees per kg. And як скільки?
40.
40. Здравствуйте. Це. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте.
Мене звати Аня.
Алія. Алія. Міс Алія. Скільки ківі?
1 кілограм 75 гривень ківі.
1 кілограм 75 kilogram. Okay, so this is kiwi and its price 75 per kg. So if we will convert this kiwinas into INR, it will like 210 rupees. And this is ginger. Як скільки?
Імбір 1 кілограм 250 гривень.
Imbir, then those 250 hryvnias per kg. It means it's like 750 rupees in INR per kg. So, okay, we'll see next. Okay, можна. Як скільки? Скільки?
Гранат 1.
Гранат.
Гранат
Да.
1 кілограм 80 гривень.
1 kilogram.
1 кілограм.
Da. So its price is 80 hryvnias per kg. So it will cost around 240 rupees per kg. Okay. Дякую, можна.
Дякую вам також. Вам будьте здорові. Дякую вам також. Всього доброго.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
А,
вам є?
а як скільки?
60.
60 kilogram.
Да.
60, it means it's 60 grivna per kg. It's around 180 rupees per kg. And можна, як скільки?
85.
85. So it's 85 gravinas per kg. It means it's like 240 INR per kg. Okay. можна як скільки?
100.
100 kilogram per. Okay. So this is capsicum and its price is like 100 kilogram, 100 gravinas per kg. So it's like 300 rupees per kg. And I
Помідорка 50-60.
say
Вот так.
say tomato
Да, да, да. 60.
60.
Это 50.
As this one is 50, so it's 50 gravinas per kg and its cost for 60 gravinas per kg. It's like 150 INR per kg and its cost like 180
Прямая
INR per
трансляция.
kg. Да,
Да,
да.
Куда до вас, домой?
So this is the section for cheese and you can get like Добрый день. Hello. Здравствуйте. So yes, and this is the complete section.
Классный сыр хороший.
Здравствуйте.
Здрасте.
And сыр.
Да,
So
творог.
this is cheese. Price скільки?
95.
95.
85.
85 kilogram.
Да.
So 85 kilogram is like 240 rupees per kg. And як скільки? Тоже 85?
Да, 85.
Ага.
А сметана
Сметана, сметана.
550 грамм 35.
550 gram,
35.
35. So it's cream and it's priced like 100 rupees per kg. Дякую. This is the complete section for cheese. Like everyone has their own price. We can go like for bargaining and everything. This is Maslow, but मुझे як скільки 200 гривна. So it costs like 200 гривна. So it's like 600 rupees per kg.
20 гривень 100 грам.
20 гривен is 100 gram. So like for 100 grams it will cost like 60 rupees. And say sir.
Бринза.
Sir.
Бринза.
Brinza. Oh, brinza. Okay. And how much like скільки?
180 кілограм.
Is 180 kilogram. So it costs like 540 rupees per kg. Okay. So this is. Дякую, можна.
So now we are in different sections. So this is a shop for house cleaning products. Like each and every type of house cleaning product you can get it from here. Like detergents, degreasers, acids, abrasives, even others item too. As you can see, like everything which you need in like daily use for your basic needs, you can get it from here.
Скільки років не знаєш.
Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте.
Здрасте.
Як діла?
Як хорошо. У вас?
На свого. Ти туди домой.
Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Roman. What is your name?
Ashmita.
Ashmita, it's nice name.
How much you can earn from this shop per day?
$10 US.
10 US dollar. It's not that much, but yes,
It's
normal.
not big, no, 600 rupees.
Yes, yes.
600 rupees is big money.
No, it's not.
You have bigger?
So, how many members in your family?
Yes.
You are alone. Oh, no wife?
I have 2 children, but I don't have wife.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem. Okay, and what is your opinion about India? What is your point of view about India?
No, India is very old country. She has good history, and India it's very old civilization. Yeah,
Civilization also. Yes, yes.
no, it's I like it India, but I don't know all about India.
Okay, okay, no
It's all.
problem. Okay. And how many actors of India do you know? Actors.
Sorry, I know only India's film,
Film. Okay.
movie. Bahubali, Zita Gita,
Bahubali.
Commandos.
Commando. Sita Gita. Okay.
No, it's real.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And India AstraZeneca.
Astro.
AstraZeneca. Covishield.
Yes. Yes.
Covishield is made
Da,
from
da.
India.
Yes. In India we
Yes.
have vaccine.
India, it's young country because you have reformation way. Yes,
Reformation.
you have now 10 years old. You have Mohandas Karamchand, Jawaharlal Nehru, who is work with India from the reformation. Yes,
Yes, yes.
it's really.
It's really.
And he daughter, забыл, daughter Jawaharlal Nehru,
Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi work about civilization India for good way.
Yes. Yes. She is the Iron Lady. Iron
Yes, I know, but
Yes.
I don't know in English.
English. Okay. Okay.
Yes. So very interesting Indian kitchen and Indian eat.
Yes. Yes. Food.
Very interesting.
Yes, yes.
We don't eat.
That much of spicy.
Yes, many spice. It's all.
Okay. Thank you very much.
This is all about today. Thanks for watching.